Okay, let's draw the saddle really quick. It wants us to draw the front and the top, and then intersect them according to the instructions. So I want to start off with this front piece first. I'm going to change my view to a larger one. And I am going to go with a front coordinate system. Okay, so now we're looking at the front. When we look on top, and so I'm going to go start with this bottom left corner, draw up, over, down, like that. So L, enter. I'm going to start at 0, 0, and turn on my orth. Goes up 12, over 30, up 28, I believe, up to 40, so up 28, over 60, down 28, 30, try it again. Endpoints on, so I can start back where I messed up. 30, down 12, back 120, or just back to home. Okay, that looks pretty good. Now I gotta draw this little cut out piece. To do that, let's see, do I have middle turned on? Point. I'm going to just come straight down and start drawing over. And that is right in the middle, comes down. Let's see, the total height on this guy is 40. There's 25 there, so 15. L, enter, find the middle point, come down 15. Okay, so that just brings me down to this line. Now I gotta go 5 over that way, 5 over that way, and come around. 5, then 10. I'm gonna do the same thing from the other side. L, enter, 5, 10. Now I'm gonna make these two angles that come off, and these are 30 degrees, so that's 2 of them. So I'm going to do an L from here, turn off ortho, and 360 divided by subtracted by 60 is 300. Oops, I didn't mean to do that. I meant to say tab 300. Enter. Now same thing over here. I'll enter. And this is going to be 180 plus 30 plus 30, which is 240. So tab 240 from angle. Enter. Now TR, enter, enter. Make my sound effects as I'm doing that. Okay, there is that side, the front side. Now I'm going to change my view to the top. Front to top. Oh, before I go any further, I'm going to take this and turn it into a poly. PE for edit. Select something. I want them to become one. I'm going to be joining. And then I select everything I want to join. Enter. Now let's see if that is one item. Yep, there you go. I'll move my mouse over and it all turns on. So now let's do the top view. I'm going to start right here and then go up. So that location should be I'll enter over 0, so 0, comma, and up 12, yes. Get my straight lines again. Comes over, goes up 32, if I remember correctly. When we draw that's like 17 times. Okay, so 32. Then it comes over 30, 12, 60, 12, 30, 32, 30, 12, 60, 12, and back to home, yay! Okay, now let's turn that into a poly. PE, and select one of the items, make it 1, we're going to join things together, join, plus this guy, plus this guy, plus that guy, enter. Escape, now put my mouse over it, yes. Okay, beautiful.